Hi, recently I bought this pocket-sized motorized slider from Andoer. There's another brand as well called Neewer, which is exactly the same machine. Now, what I like about this machine is that it's well built, it's all metal, and on top of that, it comes with a wireless remote. In addition, you can see that it can be folded like this, okay, and you can fit it in your pocket. Look at the size of it. It's the size of my hand, and my hand is actually quite small. Now, the reason why I bought this product is so that I can, as you can see here in the image above here, you can pan your shot in a very smooth fashion. You can also rotate your video so that you can see the product in a circular motion, right? So this is why I bought it. This product here, the Andoer, cost me around $90. And then, of course, with the tripod head that I got with it, allows me to position the camera because I can rotate the camera in various angles, which is great for various shots. Now have a look at the video after this. I will unbox this device and I'll show you what's in it, and also have a look at the demo of how smooth the image is, okay? And after that, I'll talk about why I would recommend this product. So I'll see you in 5 minutes. Alright, so let's have a look at this product here. Bought this from Amazon. Let's see what we have inside. So all these wrapping area package, and this is the one I'm looking for. Okay, so there is the motorized sliders. It's called Andoer, as you can see there. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. There we go. Oh, there's a remote. There is Allen wrench and the spare rubber wheels, silicone for drying, we don't need that. There is the USB cable to charge the motorized slider, and you can see this is manual, English on this side, Chinese on the other side. Okay, and there it is. That's that piece where we can screw it in for the camera, and there it is. Wow, it's pretty solid. Oh man, look at this. You can see there's a little bit of imperfection here. Not good if you're thinking of this as a new product. Hopefully this wasn't used before. Alright, there we go. Line them up. Let's turn it on. Okay, I don't think it's... Oh, it is. Oh, look. It's fully charged right now. And let's see. Does this have battery? Oh, wait, hold on. There's a little plastic here you can remove. And let's see if we can remove that. I don't think I can just pull. I think I have to unscrew it. And yeah, and then get this activated. But I can see the battery is fully charged. So I have a feeling this was a return item. Anyway, that's one thing I don't like about Amazon. You don't know whether the material is being returned, being used. Sad, honestly. Okay, so here we can screw this in. There we go. Okay, and looks pretty good. I actually bought a piece of item. Okay. I bought this head for the camera. It's like around 10 bucks. Oh wow, that's pretty good. It feels very solid. Wow, it's not. It's better than this one. It's better than I thought. Actually, I thought it was gonna be plastic, but it's actually metal, all metal, which is amazing. Okay, it's great. And this thing, yeah, it's all metal. Amazing. Okay, that's good. See, I'm surprised. And screw that in like that. There we go. Yeah. Now I see. Then I can adjust it. Now too bad it doesn't have this leveler, so knowing whether I'm have it straight or not. But you know, this is the cheapest one I got online. It's around 10 bucks. Yeah, let's give it a try and see what this thing can do. I like it. There's an off and on button. There's where you charge it, the USB. It comes with the cable there. And as you can see, it's indicating that we're fully charged. Okay, so we can have different speed. So this one is fast. So this indicates that there's battery definitely. They show you slow speed, second speed, third speed. There we go. I guess I don't need the remote there, see? Okay, let's see. Let's turn the speed to slow and press. Not bad. It's pretty good. Not bad. Too bad there's no way to turn it off. There should be a button where you just press it to stop it. The only way to do that is just press off and on button. Okay, so I guess you could, there's this button here you can pause, but they should have a button over here where you can pause it. Maybe I don't know how to do it. Let me try it again. Nope, there isn't. Yeah, there's no way to pause it. The only way is to use the remote, I guess. Apparently, you can see here, I can actually adjust the length of this, pull it out a little bit more with an Allen key. Let's see if I can do that. You might want to do that if you have a bigger camera, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, to make it longer. See? Make it longer. So you can balance it, I guess. And there's a, when you pull it out, you can see there's a little hook there. Now actually this is interesting because you could actually use it to hook onto something and then pull something. So that's quite interesting that they add this feature here, because now I can hook up to something and it can pull a piece of device or something. It looks like I could do that. Interesting, right? Because there I have a little hole here. I could pull on something, which is pretty neat. There we go. All right, so let's try this out. Okay, so when you're trying to record this, make sure you set it to manual focus. Okay, so set to manual focus here. There we go. And the reason for that is I want to make sure, let's see. Okay, let's bring in on the camera there. Yeah, I want it to be on in focus. That's good. Looks good. There we go. Now it's ready to roll. Just press record. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed the demo and the unboxing of this product. Would I recommend this product? I guess it would depend. Like if you're into product review, then definitely this is the machine to get, because you can get a video shot that you normally won't be able to get smoothly using a gimbal or doing manual movement, right? This motorized slider can give you a shot that is quite smooth and quite professional, especially when it comes with a remote control, wireless remote control that you can control at a distance. So that's very useful. For the price, I think this product is worth it. Thanks for watching EducateTube.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.